Well, at least it's a pretty sunset today. Fishing, not so hot. But we're trying one last spot. Look at that sunset, huh? Mike's been hammering the 3-inch and 6-inch bass. So we're on a streak now.
I got a trophy perch.
Oh, and a big perch, yeah. Sunset is about the only thing good today. Fishing very slow. One decent walleye and a dozen dinks. Waiting for the 1-lane bridge light to change, so might as well take another picture of a really nice sunrise. Red at night, sailor's delight. I don't think that the sailor's not quite the same as a fisherman. So hopefully things will change and fishing will be better. Coming into town, kind of cool looking.